Humans lived as nomads for tens of thousands of years before slowly settling down in various parts of the world. Nomads are people who have no permanent home and travel in search of food and safety. A typical nomadic group might include an extended family of about 10 adults and their children. The nomads would temporarily camp in an area for a few weeks or months. The men would hunt animals, while the women would gather fruit, grains, seeds, and nuts. When the nomads exhausted the land, they moved to a new area. Civilization developed slowly in different parts of the world. People began to settle in areas with abundant natural resources. For thousands of years, people have been attracted to a part of the world archaeologists later called the Fertile Crescent. The Fertile Crescent is a boomerang-shaped region that extends from the eastern shore of the Mediterranean Sea to the Persian Gulf. The Fertile Crescent is a rich, food-growing area in a part of the world where most of the land is too dry for farming. Some of the best farmland of the Fertile Crescent is on a narrow strip of land between the Tigris and the Euphrates Rivers. The two rivers travel near one another for thousands of miles before they combine to drain into the Persian Gulf. The Greeks called this area Mesopotamia, which means between the rivers. Very little rain falls in Mesopotamia, but water and nutrients from the river soak into the land, creating an environment filled with plants and the animals that feed on the vegetation. Many different civilizations flourished in this small region. The Sumerians slowly developed one of the first civilizations in the southeastern section of Mesopotamia as early as 7,500 years ago. The Sumerian civilization lasted more than 3,000 years, but in time the Sumerians lost their influence. The Babylonians formed a centralized government under King Hammurabi. The Babylonian culture lasted from about 1770 BCE to about 1595 BCE. Various other cultures dominated part or all of the Fertile Crescent, including the Amorites, the Kassites, the Hittites, and the Assyrians. The land known as Mesopotamia was later controlled by the Persians, the Greeks under Alexander the Great, the Romans, and the Ottoman Turks. The land between the Tigris and Euphrates has been part of the modern nation of Iraq since 1932.